I've been listening to Stuck With You by Ariana and Justin. I heard it for the first time last night and it's on repeat. I love it so much. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing our May Boxycharm unboxing. That is right, you guys. I literally just I did get this in the mail today and I got it and then I was just like, oh, you know what? Now I have it, so I might as well go ahead and do my makeup and then film on it. So I'm very excited. As you can see, it is not even opened. Darling. So we're going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm Premium. This is not the base box, this is a premium box. My base box hasn't gotten here yet because I like to do a comparison, like a competition between the two. But for this month, we'll just open the premium box. It is not sponsored in any way. I pay for Boxycharm myself. And if you're new to this channel, then hello. I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's jump on in. I got my knife. Okay. There we go. Cut that open. Woo. This is what the theme is. It is Boxycharm Mother Nature. That is very cute because it was Mother's Day pretty recently. So here's the little pamphlet. And then I don't really want to see too much. I really want to be surprised. So I'm going to open. This is the first. Oh yeah, okay. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Longwear Gilded Bronzer. Now, I have used the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer before and I really did like it. Now, this one is the gilded, so I think that means it's shiny. So we'll have to see. I've never really used shiny bronzer before. Yeah, it does have a bit of shine to it. Maybe I can try to knock off some of the shine, but it looks nice. I will definitely try this out and use it. I did like the regular Too Faced Soleil bronzer when I used it in the past. Maybe I won't mind a tiny little bit of luminance in my bronzer because it's not like it's highlighty or anything. It's just, it does seem like a nice color as well. I'll try it. I'm not mad at it. Next up, we've got this red. Oh, this is from Paddington. This is the Lash brand that we get quite a lot. I wonder what they could have. Oh, brushes. I swear. I really need to like opt out of brushes because I feel like I get brushes like every month and I don't need any more brushes. I really don't. This one is actually pretty cool. You could use it for like under eye powder. Maybe even foundation. I don't know. Maybe I'll try with foundation and see. But this one is just a crazy big powder brush. You could also use it under here or for all over powder. Oh my goodness. How long has that lipstick been on my teeth? I hope not for very long. But these are nice. They're not bad quality. They feel soft. So I'll try them out and see. Who knows? Maybe I'll become obsessed with them. Cool. This right. Oh my gosh. This is from Kevin Aquan. I had no idea. This is the Expert Mascara. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I had no idea Kevin Aquan was in a Boxycharm. Okay, Expert Mascara. I am so excited to try this out. Ooh, look at that big old dip right there. Wow, I've never even... I don't think I've heard anyone review this mascara. Let me see if it's on like Sephora's website or something. Because this, I am don't drop it. This I'm super hyped about. It has 4 stars and it has 16 reviews, so we'll see. I'm excited to try it though. I am super excited to try it because I love trying new mascaras. It's one of my favorite things. So this, even if it's not fantastic, like even if I don't end up loving this mascara, I am very happy to get this in my Boxycharm because, you know, mascara is something that I really do love trying out. Looks like there's 3 more things. I've saw this one once, so I want to look. Oh, this is not what I thought it was. This is 100% not what I thought it was. Oh, I don't know why. I thought this was like a, I thought it was like a mini size of something. I have no idea. But this is from Milk. Oh my goodness. This is the Cheek Oil, Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. A sheer blush and lip stain. Yeah. Okay, so this is hype. This is hype. This is really cool. I have really been loving cream products lately, and I hope this is a shade that I can use. I really do. I hope it's not like purple. It's purple, isn't it? Yeah, it's purple. And it's shiny. So it is pretty. Like, it is pretty. I'll have to try it on my cheeks first. But like, one thing I don't understand is that, like, I love the idea of this. I love this product. But if they're gonna send this product out, why would they send out a metallic shade, of all things? Maybe there's multiple shades and I'm just not getting lucky with the shades that I'm getting. Like, this is shiny, it's like, it looks purple, it's like pinky purple, kind of, I don't know, I'll have to see what it's like on the cheeks. I'm sure with like the M Cosmetics blush does have a little bit of shininess to it, but again, it's not glittery. This has like legit glitter in it, so I'll have to see what I think, and I'll definitely try it out though, because I do like milk stuff. So it's kind of just strange that they would put in this kind of shade choice. You know, you would think you would put in like a peach color or a pink color or even like a orange color, something like that, but like shiny purple? I don't know. I'm not mad at it. I think I honestly may be jumping the gun a little too fast on this one. I will try it out and see what I think, because I think the color's pretty. It did sheer out a bit on my hand, so that's nice, but it does look very glittery. I don't know if I like that. But I'll let you know, and I'll come back to it and let you know. Next up, we have this right here. Oh, this is from Tarte. This is the Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. I am totally, oh my gosh, look at that. This is adorable. I'm totally down with this. I love lip balms. They're like one of my favorite things. This is cute. I love lip stuff. I love lip oils and lip balms and lip stuff. So that's totally up my street. This will definitely be used. I really like this. It's very cute. And the last but certainly not least, we have this. Ooh. Oh, this looks cool already. Okay. I believe this is Korean skincare. This is by Pure Heals by Nature Village. This is the Cantella 90 Ampule. I don't know. Look at that. I love, like, if this is like moisturizing or like, look at that. This looks fancy. Okay, I'm into it so far. Let's see, what's it do? A soothing ampule, I don't know how to say that word, which contains Cantella. Another word I can't say. It relieves irritation of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. Ooh, very cool. Okay, so after cleansing, even out skin tone with a toner, I can't use toner, and apply a moderate amount of this product to the face. It looks nice and it looks promising. It really does. I will try it out and use it, and then I'll have to let you know what I think about it, because there was a Boxycharm product that we got that was like, it was like $99 or something, and it was in a blue thing. I use it every single day. I love it. But that was everything that's in the box. And then we'll move on to this little card right here so we can get some value, like full-size products. Okay, the Kevyn Aucoin mascara is, like I said, 29 doll hairs. And then you have the Milk Makeup Cheek Plus Lip Glow Oil, that is $15. You have, are you kidding? No. This is a absolute ripoff in my opinion. 100%. This does not need to be in here if it's gonna take up this much money. This is absurd. This Baddington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set is $90. No. That really pisses me off. Like, I know I'm not trying to be like negative or anything like that, but if you're going to put, this is 2 brushes. It's 2. Are these brushes made of gold? I know I really went off, and I'm super sorry. Like, this was a giant rant, and I know that I really came off as being a B word. Like, I'm fully aware, but that really makes me upset. Everything else in this box, like the Kevyn Aucoin thing is pretty cool. That's considered luxury. I'm excited about that. And then the Too Faced is pretty cool as well. I like these. I like this because I like lip stuff. And then this right here seems pretty cool because I like skincare and everything, and I like to try new skincare stuff. Listen, I had to take a step back. I had to like really calm down because those brushes really made me very mad. They genuinely did. And I know that I really came off as being an absolute B word, and I apologize for getting so overworked. So this is not Boxycharm's fault, literally at all. No, Boxy does not make up the prices, you know, for these things. I went and I checked the price of these on Baddington's website to see why they were so expensive. It says they're made out of Taklon, T-A-K-L-O-N, Taklon hair, which has many benefits. It even says $90 like on the thing. This is not a bad thing with Boxy or anything. I know they've worked with Baddington in the past and they do their lashes and all that, and that stuff's really cool. That's great. And I like Baddington lashes. I think they're good. It's just, I understand that the premium box is meant to be a little more luxe. It's meant to be a little more, there's stuff that's a little more expensive in the premium box, and I totally get that. If you want to put something that's this expensive in there, that's fine, but maybe put in like one or something, just because I feel like these three things right here, this one's like your huge big ticket item because it's so expensive. These two are like, you know, the runner-ups. These ones are good, these ones are, you know, decent stuff, and I feel like these are literally just thrown in here as like extra stuff that they just had a huge stock of, you know, at the warehouse or something like that. I'm not mad at it because this I'm definitely going to use for sure. Again, going to use this. I love milk makeup, so I'm definitely going to try this out. I don't know if I'll like it, but I'm going to try it. Same with this. I'm going to try it. I feel like I'm not getting my point across here. I feel like $90 for 2 brushes in a Boxycharm box is very... I would have liked something else. You know, maybe just throw in one brush that's apparently over $40 if you get the one brush, and then maybe throw in something else, like an extra item that is worth the same amount or something, or maybe a little bit less, or, you know, around the same amount. I don't know. I will use these since they are so expensive. Most likely I'm going to use this one the most. I may actually try using this one for foundation instead of contour, because I know this one could be a really good contour brush, but I'm probably going to use it for foundation. I'll try to see how that works. I'm really sorry for being an asshole before, but the box is $204 with everything in there. And then even if you do subtract the brushes, it is $114. You still get a lot of return because you only spend 30 bucks for the box. But you guys, that has been the unboxing of the May Boxycharm. Overall, I did enjoy the stuff that I got. I know I went on a huge giant rant over those brushes, but you know, it's fine. Stuff like that does happen. But yes, I want to know what you guys got in your box. Did you get the same stuff that I did, or did you get a different variation of it? I am super hyped about the bronzer and about the mascara and about the Tarte balm. Can't wait to use those. And the milk cheek stuff. I really hope it works, and I hope it's not super glittery on the cheeks, because if it's not, then I think I'll definitely really end up liking it. But you guys, it's going to be the end of the video here today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!